This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to share a few cool camera tips and tricks for this device. So to start, let's launch the default camera app. So basically the first tip that I have, so if you would like to very quickly and briefly adjust the shot brightness, you can do that manually by touch and holding somewhere at the viewfinder, or anywhere rather. So as you can see, this little bar appears, which you can use in order to make your image or future photo darker or brighter respectively. Let me call for it over here. So touch like that. As you can see, the focus frame and the brightness slider appears, which you can adjust the brightness with manually like that, depending on perhaps how much light you have surrounding you. The next tip that we have is how you can apply the filter to your photo. So basically the filter will just change the colors and the color scheme of your picture that you're about to shot. So tap at this icon over here and choose what filter you would want to apply. So let me quickly go through all of them and show you something for reference. So hold on, let me make it so that the camera will actually catch it. So that's the default no filter mode, and here how the filters look like. You can even shoot in monochrome or somewhat black and white mode as well. The next cool tip, or actually the last two tips for today, they are both located at the settings of the camera, which you can access by tapping at these three horizontal lines, or rather vertical lines. So the first one is pretty simple. If you are annoyed by the fact that each time you are taking a photo it produces a sound and you want it to be silent or muted, you can simply turn off the shutter sound toggle, and now this sound will no longer annoy you, as you can see, or perhaps as you can hear. And the final tip I wanted to share with you today, it's as I've already mentioned, we'll have to go into the settings for. So the camera settings of this device not only allow you to apply the watermark, but you can also make a custom one. So simply turn on this toggle, set the text that you would like for it to display. So as you can see, it's quite a menu that it provides us with in terms of watermark customization. There are quite a few designs, so let's say I'll go with this one. So enter some personal message. I'll type in camera test, let's say. Okay, can I please close the keyboard? Alrighty, so it lagged, whatever. I'll just type in hard reset then. You can also decide whether you would like for the watermark to show the device information, which I'll go for. That's the designs for actually, that will show both device specs, or not specs, rather the device name and your custom message. You can also draw something as your watermark. I don't know, let me draw something like that. Why not? As you can see, the tools that it provides you with is pretty or rather those tools are pretty wide. And after you have finished all your personalizations and customizations, you can now take a photo and the watermark will be applied. So let me open my gallery, and here's mine. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.